Welcome to Artificial Professor, and in this video I will explain how to add promotion on LinkedIn profile. So let's begin the process. Here is the home page of LinkedIn. From here, tap on this profile icon and scroll it down, and you will see this section Experience from here. Tap on the plus sign and tap on the first option, Add Position. Now here is the Add Experience. Write the title of your experience, like it's a tutorial one, so that why I will type Software Engineer after this. Here is the second option, Employment Type. Tap on this one, and select like if you are a full-time, part-time or self-employed, select your own, but for now I will select this, full-time. And here is the company name. Company name means to work with the company, so I was a software engineer, so that's what I'm writing. The company name Google. Now, from here, select the location of your company, like it was in California, United States. The next option is location type. From here, select location type of your company means it was on-site, hybrid or remote. So select your own, but I'll select on-site, and here is the option. I'm currently working in this role. If you are currently working in this role, then select this one, but if you are not, then turn it off. But I will tap on this. I'm currently working in this role. Now here is the start date, means from when you start this, like I will select this. And the year is, now. It is the option industry, because I was a software engineer, so industry was, computer software. Now here is the description. Description means you can write a description by your own, and write the professional description, because it's the most important thing in your profile, like I was a software engineer. So that's why I will write. So after writing the description, here is the option profile headlines, like I was software engineers in Google, so I will write. So after writing your profile headlines, here is the option skills. It will show automatically like software designer, software industry, and web engineering. So I will select this software design, and here is option media. When you will tap on this add media. So you can upload a link up to your certification, or if you have in your computer, then you can upload that from your computer to LinkedIn, by tapping on this upload media, or like if you have a design on your internet, like your created designs, then simply add the link of that, after this. The last thing is save. When you will tap on this one, then this experience will be added to your LinkedIn. So as you see, this position has been added to my LinkedIn profile. So with this way you can add promotion to LinkedIn profile. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.